The air fryer toaster oven combo by Kitchen Elite offers a versatile cooking experience with its 18 function presets, including a specially designed bagel preset for breakfast convenience. This appliance is powered by 1700 watts, ensuring efficient cooking while maintaining energy efficiency. The large 26.4 quart capacity allows you to prepare meals for the whole family, making it perfect for gatherings and everyday use. A standout feature is its ability to reduce oil intake by 85% thanks to the 360-degree turbo air technology with 6 heating elements. This air fryer toaster oven combo operates within a temperature range of 150 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, providing flexibility for various recipes. The sleek and compact design, with dimensions of 15.91 by 14.76 by 14.17 inches, fits easily on most countertops.